This 22-acre equestrian farm features a beautiful home and views for miles. Watch your livestock from almost every window. The outdoor spaces are very tidy, beautifully landscaped, and designed for easy maintenance. Home to many a longhorn, the pastures have a gentle slope that provides good drainage. The updated 5,456 square foot home offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and large living spaces great for entertaining. One of the nicest features of the home is the ability to enjoy the outside in any weather. Pour yourself a Pendleton and cozy up to the rock fireplace on the expansive covered deck. Access for trailers is handy with a wide driveway in and a circle drive around the barn. The property features full perimeter fencing with cross fencing for a total of 6 separate pastures. The 8-stall barn includes a 120 by 60 covered arena with lights, heated tack room, full bathroom, and office or studio space. The property is located on a dead-end road and is adjacent to timberland. With permission, there's potential to ride right off the property. Easy access to Highway 99 and I-5 for a quick 25-minute drive to Eugene and 35 minutes to the Eugene Airport. The seller was raised a cowgirl in sage and juniper country, and Lynx Hollow has been a place to enjoy open spaces in the forested lands of Western Oregon.